Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number in Bank in few steps. First, open the Bank app on your phone. Log in using your password, PIN or biometric login. Once you are logged in, tap on the profile icon or the menu. Then select setting or personal details. Inside the personal details, look for the phone number or contact information. Tap on it to edit. Tap in your new phone number. Carefully make sure the card number is active and can receive SMS message. Bank will send you the one-time password OTP to your phone number. Enter the OTP in the app to confirm the change. After verification, tap confirm or save. Your phone will now be updated in your Bank account. You may receive a confirmation message in the app or a message in SMS or email using the change, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.